Welcome to my channel, MECH Tutorials Hub. In this podcast, I'm going to share my views and opinions on one of the very important subject in engineering, which is engineering drawing. The reason behind I'm going to discuss upon this subject is the subject is slowly vanishing from engineering background, because here the question is they want to shift. Most of the engineering colleges already took this subject out of their curriculum. The reason behind is they don't want to use the conventional method of drawing by using drawing sheets, drafter, drawing instruments. They want to remove all of them. They want to use AutoCAD as the base for drawing. Okay, bringing new things into the subject is very good. I appreciate that. In addition to the conventional representations, in addition to the drawing sheet, drawing instrument, usage of drafter, if you could add the AutoCAD or some other tool, it is much better. But if you want to remove the conventional things and if you want to add only the software, then the student does not have any idea about how the drawings used to be before. Okay, so that I don't think will work out in a long run. That is my personal opinion. Maybe I think most of you definitely agree with my opinion. That is what I feel. And the thing is, unless you have the conventional idea about how to draw the sketches, how to use the drafter, when you don't have this hands-on experience upon sketches and all, in the upcoming maybe in the first year, if you don't learn the basic things, in the second year, third year, you come across, especially in mechanical, you come across machine components. Drawing those machine components is very tough. Okay, so what is the application of that particular machine, where we use that machine, all these things you need to learn. How to draw intricate shapes of the machines, you need to learn. So conventionally you have to learn first, then you have to implement the same in a software. That adds value to your subject, adds value to your degree. That is what I feel. I would like to send a message to the society, to the intellectuals, maybe to the curriculum makers, is like if you could definitely put this particular subject long years together, it should be there. Actually, it should be there in the curriculum. It should not be taken off the curriculum. Other than that, conventional representations, if you could add some softwares, it is added advantage to the student. Okay, so if I go to the classroom after my 5 years, 10 years of teaching and learning things, if I could explain them that we used to do conventionally, we used to use drafters, we used to use drawing tables and all, they feel surprised. Okay, now I'm facing the same situation in my classrooms, learning tech methods. I'm facing the same. They have directly introduced AutoCAD. Okay, in few colleges. Okay, when the students approach me with this question, I have to explain them. Like we used to use all the conventional representations by using a drafter and all. Okay, which is not good for the engineering level. Okay, not only engineering, in any of the fields, basic preliminary things are very important. Unless you have a foundation, you can't go to the higher level. No, if you want to construct a house, for example, simple example I'm trying to give you, unless you have a foundation, you can't go for 3 floors, 1 floor, 10 floors, no, unless you have a foundation. So down the line, if sometime technology got improved and I don't want any foundation, directly I can build the house, means that house will not stay for a long time. Okay, that is what I feel. A simple example I'm trying to give you. So I request the intellectuals, the authorities, or the persons behind, keep this engineering drawing alive in the engineering field. Thank you. Try to share this video to more and more number of students, faculty, take their opinion, and if I am wrong somewhere, kindly comment in the box given below. And if you want more opinions of mine or people like me also, you can share, you can comment in the box given below. Thank you for watching.